the Amazon rainforest, one of the most breathtaking and mysterious places on Earth. Stretching across 9 countries in South America, it is home to more than 10% of the world's known species. From the towering trees to the winding rivers, every corner of this jungle hides creatures both fascinating and fearsome. In this vast green paradise, life thrives in unimaginable ways. Today, we will meet some of the most iconic and extraordinary animals of the Amazon rainforest, each playing a unique role in this complex ecosystem. Welcome back to Wildlife Diaries. Don't forget to subscribe. Our journey begins with the Amazon's top predator, the jaguar. This powerful and elusive big cat is the largest in the Americas and can be found stalking through the dense undergrowth. Unlike other big cats, jaguars are excellent swimmers, often hunting in rivers and lakes. With their strong jaws, they can bite through the skulls of their prey, making them one of the most efficient hunters of the jungle. But high above, in the towering canopy, another predator watches, the Harpy Eagle. This majestic bird is one of the most powerful raptors in the world. With talons as large as a grizzly bear's claws, it preys on monkeys, sloths, and other small mammals, whooping down with incredible speed and precision. Beneath the dense foliage, the Amazon is alive with movement. Among the most intriguing creatures is the poison dart frog, a tiny amphibian with vibrant colors that warn predators of its deadly toxins. Some of these frogs carry enough poison to kill multiple adult humans, making them one of the rainforest's most dangerous animals despite their small size. But not all Amazonian creatures are fearsome predators. The rainforest is also home to the gentle and slow-moving 3-toed sloth. Spending most of its life hanging upside down in the trees, the sloth moves at a leisurely pace, relying on camouflage to avoid predators. Covered in algae that help it blend into the green surroundings, this unusual mammal is an expert in survival through invisibility. The Amazon's rivers, too, are teeming with life. The pink river dolphin, also known as the boto, is one of the most intelligent and mysterious creatures of the Amazon's waterways. Unlike marine dolphins, the boto has a flexible neck, allowing it to navigate through flooded forests with ease. These playful mammals are surrounded by myths and legends among local communities, often believed to have magical abilities. Leafcutter ants are some of the most hard-working creatures in the Amazon. These tiny yet powerful insects are known for carrying pieces of leaves many times their own body weight, forming long trails as they march back to their underground nests. However, they don't eat the leaves directly. Instead, they use them to cultivate a special type of fungus. which serves as their primary food source. This complex farming system, developed over millions of years, is one of the most sophisticated examples of cooperation in the animal kingdom. Swinging through the trees above, squirrel monkeys bring energy and excitement to the jungle canopy. These small primates are incredibly agile, using their long tails for balance as they leap between branches in search of fruits, flowers, and insects. They are highly social animals, living in large groups that can include up to 500 individuals. Perched high in the canopy, the toucan is one of the most recognizable birds in the Amazon. With its massive, colorful beak, this bird stands out among the greenery. Though the beak looks heavy, it is actually quite light. Made of a hollow, honeycomb-like structure. Toucans use their beaks to reach fruits that other animals cannot, making them important seed dispersers for many rainforest plants. The electric eel is one of the most shocking creatures of the Amazon's rivers. Literally. Despite its name, it is not a true eel, but a type of knife fish. This remarkable animal can generate powerful electric shocks of up to 600 volts, which it uses for hunting, self-defense, and communication. It lurks in murky waters, using its electricity to detect prey in the darkness. When it finds a target, it delivers a strong jolt to stun fish before swallowing them whole. The electric eel's unique ability makes it one of the Amazon's most formidable predators. Deep in the dense foliage, the tapir quietly moves through the undergrowth. This large herbivorous mammal is often compared to a pig or an anteater, but it is actually more closely related to horses and rhinos. With its short, flexible snout, the tapir forages for fruits, leaves, and aquatic plants. It plays a vital role in the rainforest by spreading seeds through its droppings, helping to regenerate plant life. Despite its size, the tapir is a shy and elusive creature, relying on the dense vegetation to stay hidden from predators like jaguars and caimans. The giant river otter is one of the most social and intelligent predators of the Amazon's waterways. Growing up to 6 feet long, it is the largest otter species in the world. These sleek and agile mammals live in family groups and communicate with a variety of whistles, barks, and growls. Unlike their playful appearance suggests, they are fierce hunters, preying on fish, crabs, and even small caimans. Their cooperative hunting strategies and strong family bonds make them one of the most fascinating mammals in the Amazon. Toucans are some of the most recognizable birds in the Amazon. known for their oversized, colorful beaks. These beaks, despite their large size, are surprisingly lightweight. And help the birds reach fruits that might otherwise be out of reach. Toucans are primarily frugivores, meaning they eat mostly fruit. But they also consume insects, small reptiles, and eggs from other birds' nests. The bullet ant is one of the most feared insects in the Amazon. Notorious for having one of the most painful stings of any insect in the world. Found mostly on the forest floor and in trees, bullet ants grow up to an inch in length and are black or reddish-brown in color. Their sting is often compared to being shot, hence their name. And the pain can last for up to 24 hours. Kingfishers are elegant, fast-flying birds that thrive near the rivers and lakes of the Amazon. With their sharp beaks and incredible diving ability, they are skilled fish hunters. Kingfishers perch on branches overlooking the water, scanning for movement before plunging in to snatch fish with precision. Their beaks are perfectly adapted to minimize water resistance, allowing them to catch their prey without creating a splash. Though crocodiles are not native to the Amazon, their close relatives, the caimans, are dominant reptilian predators in the region. The black caiman, the largest of them, can grow up to 16 feet long and is a formidable hunter, preying on fish, birds, and even large mammals that come too close to the water's edge. Unlike their saltwater crocodile relatives, caimans prefer freshwater habitats, where they use their stealth and patience to ambush unsuspecting prey. Capybaras are the largest rodents in the world and are commonly found near rivers, lakes, and swamps in the Amazon. These social animals live in groups and are excellent swimmers, using the water as a refuge from predators like jaguars, anacondas, and caimans. With their webbed feet and ability to stay submerged for long periods, they are well adapted to their semi-aquatic lifestyle. The giant armadillo is one of the most elusive and rarely seen mammals of the Amazon. With its tough, armor-like shell and large, powerful claws, this nocturnal creature is perfectly adapted for digging burrows and searching for insects. Giant armadillos primarily feed on ants and termites, using their long, sticky tongues to extract them from mounds. The spectacled owl is a striking nocturnal predator, with distinctive white spectacle-like markings around its eyes. It is one of the dominant raptors of the Amazon and preys on small mammals, birds, and insects. With its silent flight and sharp talons, it is a highly efficient hunter. Swooping down on unsuspecting prey in the dead of night. Spectacled owls are solitary creatures, and their deep, booming calls can often be heard echoing through the rainforest. Anteaters are some of the most unusual mammals in the Amazon. Characterized by their long snouts and powerful claws. The giant anteater, the largest of its kind, relies on its excellent sense of smell to locate termite mounds and anthills. Using its strong claws, it rips open these nests and extends its long, sticky tongue to collect thousands of insects in minutes. Hummingbirds are among the smallest yet most energetic birds in the Amazon. Their rapid wing beats, up to 80 times per second, allow them to hover in place as they feed on nectar from flowers. Their long, slender beaks are specially adapted to extract nectar from deep within blossoms, making them essential pollinators. Many species of hummingbirds display brilliant iridescent plumage that shimmers in the sunlight. The Morpho butterfly is one of the most breathtaking insects of the Amazon. Famous for its large, iridescent blue wings. These butterflies are often seen fluttering along the forest edges and riverbanks. Their metallic blue color flashing in the sunlight. Interestingly, their dazzling color is not due to pigment, but rather microscopic scales that reflect light. Hornbills, though more commonly associated with Africa and Asia, have some relatives in the Amazon, such as the toucans, which share similar characteristics. These birds are known for their large, curved beaks, which they use to pluck fruits, catch insects, and even steal eggs. Hornbills play an important ecological role by dispersing seeds, helping maintain forest regeneration. They are highly social birds, often communicating with loud calls and displaying strong pair bonds with their mates. Bats are among the most abundant mammals in the Amazon, with hundreds of species inhabiting the dense forests. Some, like the common fruit bat, play a crucial role in pollination and seed dispersal, ensuring the growth of new plants and trees. Others, such as the vampire bat, have a unique adaptation that allows them to feed on the blood of mammals by making tiny incisions and using their anticoagulant saliva to drink without causing harm. The bull shark is one of the few shark species that can survive in both saltwater and freshwater, allowing it to travel far up the Amazon River. These powerful predators have been found deep within South America's waterways, preying on fish, crustaceans, and even small mammals that venture too close to the water. Bull sharks are aggressive and have one of the strongest bites of any shark, making them formidable hunters. Vipers are some of the most dangerous snakes in the Amazon, known for their potent venom and ambush hunting techniques. The fer-de-lance, one of the most infamous vipers in South America, is highly venomous and responsible for many snakebite incidents in the region. These snakes rely on their heat-sensitive pits to detect warm-blooded prey in the darkness, striking with incredible speed and injecting a hemotoxic venom that rapidly incapacitates their target. Egrets are elegant wading birds commonly found in the Amazon's wetlands and riverbanks. These graceful hunters stand still in shallow water, waiting for fish, amphibians, and small invertebrates to come within reach before striking with their sharp beaks. Their long legs and white plumage make them easy to spot as they move through the shallows in search of food. The osprey, also known as the fish hawk, is a skilled predator that thrives in the Amazon's waterways. Unlike other birds of prey, the osprey is almost entirely dependent on fish, which it catches by diving feet first into the water. With sharp talons and unique barbed pads on its feet, it grips slippery fish with ease. Ospreys migrate long distances and are found in many parts of the world, but the Amazon provides an ideal hunting ground for them, with its vast rivers and lakes teeming with fish. The praying mantis is one of the most fascinating insects in the Amazon. Known for its stealthy hunting techniques, this insect uses its incredible camouflage to blend into leaves and branches, waiting patiently for unsuspecting prey to come close. With its raptorial forelegs, the mantis strikes with lightning speed, capturing insects, spiders, and even small amphibians. The Scarlet Ibis is one of the most striking birds in the Amazon. Instantly recognizable by its brilliant red feathers. These wading birds are often found in mangroves, wetlands, and riverbanks. Where they feed on crustaceans, which contribute to their vibrant coloration. The Scarlet Ibis is highly social, often seen in large flocks, moving together as they search for food. Their bright plumage serves as both camouflage among red-hued vegetation and a way to attract mates. Though the llama is not a native animal of the Amazon rainforest, it is an essential part of South America's wildlife. Primarily found in the Andes Mountains, llamas are domesticated relatives of wild guanacos and vicuñas. They have been used for centuries by indigenous people for carrying loads across rugged terrain. And their thick wool provides insulation in the cold mountain climate. While llamas do not inhabit the Amazon, their close relatives, such as the vicuña, contribute to the biodiversity of the continent by grazing on highland vegetation, which indirectly affects water sources that feed into the Amazon basin. These playful mammals are surrounded by myths and legends among local communities, often believed to have magical abilities. The Amazon rainforest is a world of extremes, where beauty and danger coexist in perfect balance. Every animal, from the smallest insect to the mightiest predator, plays a vital role in maintaining the delicate ecosystem. As we continue our journey, we will explore even more fascinating creatures that make the Amazon one of the most biodiverse places on Earth.